here to talk about air. Anytime you have a kitchen with a cooking appliance, you need to exhaust air and smoke to outside. And range hoods are measured in a term called CFM, cubic feet per minute. This box represents a cubic foot, 12 inch by 12 inch by 12 inch. Now if we just had the electric induction top right here, we'd need a hood that had about 400 CFM. That means 400 of these boxes would need to move up through the fan every minute to outside. If we add the teppanyaki grill, we need 750 CFM leaving the building. So where is this air going to come from? When we build a house like this, it's super insulated, unbelievable windows, air sealed. And so now that air will try to come from anywhere it can, which means it might come down chimneys, it might come in through bathroom fans, but it's going to try to fight its way in. So I thought we would do is give you a little demonstration of what happens. So we've sealed up this room. And now I'm going to turn on this fan. Watch what happens. Okay, it's trying to find air anywhere it can. It's pulling on everything it can, any crack, everywhere we've sealed it. And what I've got over here, I could just open up a window, right? And that would give me some air to come in to offset it. But look how much air is coming in here. Okay, this is a measurement of airspeed. So that's more than 5 knots, which means it could be 6 miles an hour of potentially freezing cold air or super hot air that you've already paid to heat or cool this building. So the only real solution is to install a make-up air unit. A few weeks ago we put one in here. Now that has a blower, a filter, a muffler, and an electric duct heater that'll actually modulate according to what it needs based on how cold the air is. Now let's turn it on. So here in the pantry we've got the intake of the make-up air right here. Unit's underneath, that's about 10 feet from the hood. And now when that unit comes on, you can see the fan's just coming on now. And that air is slightly conditioned, and that's great, and we'll have a grill right here that'll make it disappear. But look at the difference it's going to make for our operation here. So now let's pull the tape and put our meter on. And look at this. Remember, there was almost 6 miles an hour of air coming in. It's at 0. This building is in perfect balance. Because remember, all we're trying to do is to get smoke and grease out of the building efficiently. Like that.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.